Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore VPS. Now, if you'd like to know more about websites, hosting, and what VPS is, you're actually in the right place. Today we're going to discuss all the details. So without further ado, let's climb straight into it. So VPS hosting, or virtual private server hosting, is a type of web hosting that provides you with your very own dedicated portion of a server. Unlike shared hosting, where multiple users use the same server resources, VPS hosting is an allocated specific resource such as CPU power, RAM, and even storage exclusively for you to use. So here's a quick overview of how VPS actually works. Virtualization technology. First of all, VPS hosting employs virtualization technology to create multiple isolated environments on a single physical server. Each VPS operates independently, meaning you can customize it to meet your very specific requirements. Also, you get root access. With VPS hosting, you typically have root access to your server, allowing you to install and configure software, manage security settings, and perform any type of necessary system updates. You're probably wondering now why you should be using it. Well, first of all, getting to understand what it is step one. Secondly, why should you use it? Well, first of all, VPS hosting generally offers better performance than shared hosting. Since you do have a dedicated server, your website can handle higher traffic loads and it can ultimately run faster. With VPS hosting, the environment is also isolated from other users on the same server. This adds a layer of security. Obviously, it minimizes the risk of malware and other cyber threats that can affect shared hosting users. One of the other things is that you have a complete control over your server environment. The level of control is ideal for you if you're a developer who needs to test applications or businesses that require very specific configurations. In conclusion, VPS hosting is a powerful solution for those who need more than just what shared hosting can offer. With this combination of performance, security, customization options, and scalability, it is a fantastic option. Now, if this video really was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.